Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 77. Lecture number 15. Express the following number in the words in the international system 639854 and 73. Question number 1. 63,985,473. Now question number 2. Express the following number in figures 27,42,089. First part I do for you and other you do by self. 27,42,089. Okay. Question number 3. Find the difference between the place value of the two nines in the 3957 and 829. First, now we check the place value of 9. How to unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. 9 at the place value is 9 lakhs. You can be write like as 9 lakhs. Now we subtract the other 9. The other 9 at the place value on ones. Now we subtract 9 lakhs, minus 9, and we got the answer is 899 and 991. Find the difference between the smallest and largest number formed with the digits. First I arrange the values in descending order. First I write 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Okay, then we got the answer 3087. Other value like as 1, 2, 3, 4 write in ascending order. It means larger to smaller. You subtract the value and then we find the difference between these values. 3087 the answer to this question. Question number 5. Now write in expanding notation 4057. It means 4057. You can be write like as 4000 then 000 plus 50 plus 7. Question number done.